Hello friends, welcome to Lucky Gate. This is a question in GATE 2017 asked for 2 marks. Here the question is the pre-ordered traversal of a binary search tree is given. This is a pre-ordered traversal. Then the post-ordered traversal of this tree is given. Because question is about binary search tree. You know that the binary search tree has a property that if you consider any node whose left subtree will have lesser values, right subtree will have greater values. So that what I suggest is based on the pre-order traversal given in the question, you have to construct a binary search tree. Then you perform a post-order traversal so that you will get the answer for the question. What pre-order traversal says, first visit the root node, then visit the left subtree, then visit the right subtree. What is post-order traversal says, first visit the left subtree, then right subtree, then visit the root node. And keep in mind these 2 points so that you can easily solve the question. Now what is the pre-order traversal given? 12, 8, 6, 2, 7, 9, 10, 16, 15, 19, 17 and 20. Because this is a pre-order traversal, we know that the first will be root node of the tree. Now what will be the root node of the tree? 12, right? And whose left subtree, according to the binary search tree, whose left subtree should have lesser values, so that all the key values less than 12 will be the left subtree of 12, and all key values greater than 12 will be the right subtree of 12. Now this is the left subtree, this is the right subtree of 12. Again, in that the first key value is the root node of the left subtree. Here, because these are the left subtree key values, now the first will be the root node of the left subtree, that is 8. And all key values less than 8, these 3 should go to the left subtree of 8. Greater than 8 will go to the right subtree. Fine. Now again, in each of the subtree, the first node will be the root node, and lesser value will be the left subtree, greater value will be the right subtree. And in the second part of this question, that is 16 will be the root node, that is a right subtree root node, and lesser values of 16 will be the left subtree, and greater values of 16 will be the right subtree. Lesser will be left, greater will be right. So because lesser is only one key, that is 15, this is done. And right subtree may have root and left and right subtrees. Now we'll see in this will be the root node in the right subtree of 16, that is 19. Key values less than 19 will be the left subtree, that is 17. Key values greater than 19, that is 20, will be the right subtree. Now this part is completed. Now we have to continue with this part. Now this 6 to 7 are to the left of 8 node. Now what is a root node? 6. Now 6 will be the root node of the left subtree of 8, and 6 less than 6 will be the left subtree, greater than 6 will be the right subtree. Less than 6 is 2, greater than 6 is 7, left and right subtree. And the right subtree of 8 contains 9 and 10. In that 9 is the root node of the right subtree of 8, and because 10 is greater value, 10 comes to the right subtree of 9. So all the values we have constructed. Now this is a binary search tree constructed for the pre-order traversal. Now we have to perform post-order traversal to find the answer for the question. Now what is a post-order traversal? What post-order traversal says? Visit the left subtree, then right subtree, then visit the root. Now start with 12. Its left subtree is 8, its left subtree is 6, its left subtree is 2. Because it do not have left and right, now it has to visit the node 2. Now 2 will be the first one. And next it has to go up, means this one, left subtree is over, then it has to continue with right subtree, means this one, that is 7. Now after 2 and 7, it has to visit the root node, that is 6. Again up, its left subtree is over, right, its left subtree not there, right, so means its left and right subtree not there, so it has to visit 10. This is done. Next 9, next 8. Okay, this is done. Next go to the root node 12. Its left subtree is completely done. then it has to visit the right subtree first. When it moves to the right subtree, its left is 15, then 15 is done, go right. 19 is the right subtree node, its left is 17, its right is 20, then node is 19, done. Then finally node 16 and then 12. This is the answer for the question. Now look for the options. The 2 6 is given in the option A, but it is started with 2 and 7. The option A is wrong. Option B, it is correct because it is matching with the order I have written. Option C and D is incorrect because the first key itself 7 given, but first key you are going to get is 2. So but not 7. So that option B is right and C and D are incorrect answers. So answer for the question is option B.